Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can solve your Windows license will expire soon on your Windows. So without further ado, let's go quick into the process. So go ahead in the Windows search bar and you need to type services. Now services will appear under the best match, then just simply click on that. Then scroll down to the W section and we need to look for the Windows License Manager. Now once you find that, this one, Windows License Manager Service, make a right click, select Properties, Startup Type, change that to Disabled, click on Stop, Apply, and then OK. Next method, go ahead in the Windows search bar and type CMD. You have to click on Run as Administrator in the right pane. This is something that you should not forget in order for the command to run, or that's it. Because sometimes we forgot to run as administrator, that's why our command is not working. Then here we need to simply type slmgr space dash rearm. It's slmgr space dash rearm, hit enter. Now command completed successfully. Please restart the system for the changes to take effect. Now you have to click on OK, and after that, you have to make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. And by doing the two methods, your problem will be fixed. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.